Hi everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make copycat Little Debbie Cosmic Brownies in your own kitchen. These brownies will bring you back to your childhood and are a delicious and easy dessert that will impress your friends and family. The brownies are fudgy and chocolatey with a rich ganache frosting on top. They're sprinkled with rainbow chips, making them perfect for any celebration. Please take a minute to make sure you are subscribed so you won't miss any new recipes, and let's get started. Here are the ingredients you will need for the brownies. 3/4 cup of butter, 1½ cups of sugar, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 3 eggs plus 1 egg yolk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of corn syrup, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1½ cups of cocoa powder, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Begin by adding the melted butter, white sugar, brown sugar, eggs, egg yolk, vanilla, oil, and corn syrup to a mixing bowl. Stir to combine. In a separate bowl, whisk together the cocoa powder, flour, cornstarch, baking soda, and salt. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and stir until just combined. Do not overmix. Line a 9x13 baking dish with parchment paper and spread the brownie batter to the edges. Bake the brownies at 350 degrees for 25 minutes until the center is set. Do not overbake. Here are the ingredients for the ganache frosting. 1½ cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1/2 cup of whole milk, and rainbow chips to sprinkle over the top of the brownies. Add the butter, chocolate chips, and milk to a medium-sized saucepan and melt over medium heat, stirring constantly. Once the chocolate has completely melted and the ganache is smooth, allow it to cool for 30 minutes before spreading over the top of the brownies. Sprinkle the brownies with the rainbow chips. Cover and refrigerate the brownies for 60 minutes before cutting them into bars and serving. I hope you like these brownies as much as I do. The full recipe is in the description below, as well as a link to the printable version on MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already so you won't miss any new recipes. See you next time!